We'll begin with installation. On completion, the FlowUI application will be located in Applications. Let's open this. I will create a new project. And now, a new test. This is the test screen. Test instructions are assembled here. Tests are comprised of instructions. Every instruction has a title which describes what it does. We can also type what we're looking for. In this case, it's button 1. Adding new instructions is done by clicking the blue highlighted field. Let's duplicate a third instruction. Creating instructions this way is perfect for editing, but ideally, instructions should be created with the viewer. This is done by clicking on the viewer icon. If it's not configured, it will prompt us to do so. Select the app we need to test, followed by the simulator to test on. With the settings configured, we can launch the viewer. By default, everything works with the simulator hidden. We can manually launch it to make it visible. Booting speed depends on the power of your system. Booting also takes time if this is a fresh launch. Once complete, the app is installed and executed. You will be prompted with several system warnings thanks to Catalina's permissions. The app will be mirrored in the viewer once launched. We now have the ability to inspect and create instructions. A view object's text and type can be inspected by simply tapping on it. Let's delete the old instructions and create new ones. Selecting the Auto Create checkbox enables us to create instructions whenever we interact with the view object. By selecting Tap, a new instruction is created. Notice that as we interact with the view objects in the viewer, it is also being tapped in the real simulator. Let's tap on Breakfast. And now let's tap on Tea Vodka. Our sample test is now complete, so let's run it. Since test results are displayed in the browser, let's launch the server. Terminal permission is needed here so that the simulators can be controlled. The server will be active as long as the terminal window is open. Let's head to the browser to see the server. OK, great. With our server up and running, we'll launch the test again. As we click Run, you can see the test running on the simulator. Let's refresh the browser while the test is running. Once the test is complete, the browser will update. Clicking the test and then its details will allow us to see the test. The final permission is needed by the web server to display images. This completes the overview of FlowUI. As we're in beta, the UI is subject to change.